entire row between Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and the wrestlers. Now, after Vinesh Fogart joined the Congress party, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has slammed Vinesh Fogart's entire campaign, calling the agitation against him the Jija Sali movement, claims that the Congress had a huge hand in the wrestler agitation. Let's listen in.
देखिए, महिलाओं का प्रदर्शन नहीं था। फर्स्ट डे ऐसा लगा था कि ये खिलाड़ियों का प्रदर्शन है, लेकिन फर्स्ट डे के बाद जब आप ही लोगों ने उनसे सबूत मांगना शुरू किया तो धीरे धीरे उनके साथ से लोग हट गए। अंत में एक फैमिली, एक अखाड़ा, जीजा साली और एक अखाड़ा, जिसके सर्वे सर्वा भूपेंद्र हुड्डा है और बाकी खिलाड़ी या बाकी लोग उनके साथ नहीं है। हमारी बहन बेटियों के सम्मान को दांव पर लगा करके हुड्डा फैमिली ने खेला है। इस बात को भी आने वाला कल माफ नहीं करेगा और इस बात के हमेशा गुनाहगार वो रहेंगे।
And Pallavi continues to be with us on the broadcast. So Pallavi, this attacks coming in from Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh pales in comparison to his responses during the height of the wrestler agitation. In your opinion, given the fact that the Haryana elections are right around the corner, is what happened in 2023, the wrestler agitation against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, has that run out of political capital in some way?
Yeah, I don't think the Congress party would want it to run out of political capital. Look at the way, the chronology, I mean, the way Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joined the Congress. Even when she was at the Congress headquarters, she made it a point to mention those days where she protested and no one stood by her side. And I think today is basically her first day of campaigning. When you're going to see the Gandhis are going to hit the ground, you're going to have Mallikarjun Kharge, and of course they're going to be campaigning for her as well. They are going to make the point that, this is a reminder that a Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme is just a sham, and that how, pictures of protesters being manhandled, Delhi police picking them up, and Vinesh Fogart's tears. Those are the issues that they are going to constantly keep on reminding the people of. So Bajrang Punia is going to play a very important role in terms of campaigning, because he's now just a working president of the Kisan Congress. But Vinesh Fogart is expected to campaign beyond Julana. It's also a prestige fight, because the Congress has to ensure that she wins with a huge margin from this area.
Right, but Pallavi, at the same time, given the fact that all these wrestlers were demanding for justice, they were calling for justice and action against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, with Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joining the Congress party, has this entire thing now been politicized, where the entire agitation and the entire movement for justice now becoming fair game for the BJP to take on ahead of the Haryana elections?
Absolutely. I think the BJP's reaction was very guarded on, as long as the speculation was going on that Vinesh Fogart is going to join the Congress. But the day she joined officially, I think from then on the BJP has made it very clear. And selectively, I mean, you have the Giriraj Singh, you had Brij Bhushan Singh, all of them making the point that, look, we stand vindicated. We were having backroom negotiations with Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Fogart and the protesting wrestlers. But clearly the Congress party was ensuring that the protests continued. They did not want it to break. They did not want a solution. And the matter is in court. According to BJP, the matter is in court. They are two different things. What's happening in court is happening in court. But what is happening in the electoral battlefield is something we too will fight out.